A stealthy feline prowls along the jungle floor. This is the solitary and secretive ocelot. Similar in appearance to its larger cousin, the jaguar, the ocelot lives in the same range, from the southwestern United States down into South America. At about 3 times the size of an average house cat, it occupies an ecological niche as a mid-level predator, occasionally hunting during the day, but mainly under the cover of darkness. It hunts for small rodents and reptiles, usually in the dense underbrush. But tonight, it catches a more appetizing scent. Pacas, hiding in their underground burrow. It enters cautiously. A full-grown paca can be over 2 feet long and weigh 20 pounds, nearly the size of the ocelot itself. A juvenile paca makes a smaller and more tempting target. But the pacas catch the scent of the ocelot first. They bolt into the deep recesses of their burrow. The odds are not in its favor. The ocelot soon gives up. It retreats to the mouth of the cave, pausing for a quick cleaning. It rests briefly, then resumes its hunt through the jungle.